Hi everyone, sorry for the lighting, it's kind of like but this is one of the owners of Official Pure, and I guess this is sort of like a face reveal. So hi, there's two owners by the way, but for today's video I had the idea of printing out all of my bracelet patterns and then organizing them in this thing that I have here. It's this organizer that I got from Target, I believe. I don't know, I just kind of had it sitting around forever. Okay, the lighting still sucks, but I only have a couple of bracelet patterns printed out, so I'm gonna have to print a bunch more, and so I thought that I should just like print every bracelet pattern that's on my to-do list maybe, and then organize them from like what I've already done and to do, and yeah, so we have to get printing. Okay, so I have my whole to-do list here, and as you can see, it says I have 38 to-dos. So I think I'm gonna print most of these out, and then we'll figure out how to organize it from there. Okay, so I just printed a lot of patterns, but now we need to come up with some sort of organizational pattern. System, but I can't talk. Okay, this light, I swear, I don't know how to, I don't have any better place to film. Okay, I'm really bad at talking. Okay, so I just finished putting all the little tabs in. So now all I have to do is put the bracelet patterns in. Oh, don't mind this. This is a foosball table because I'm sitting on the ground. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, there. Now you can kind of see it a little better. I decided to organize it in levels of, in my opinion, levels of how hard the bracelets are. So there's level 1, I'll figure out how to organize all this later. Level 1, level 2, level 3, alphas, and keychains. So I actually just finished organizing all the patterns and stuff, and I think it looks super good. So I'll show you guys. Okay, so I'm not going to show you all of the patterns that I have in here because that's just a lot to do because there are a lot. Sorry for the flash. The lighting is really bad. But I just want to show you again. I have level 1, level 2, level 3 alphas and keychains. And actually, I've decided to do something where every month, starting next month, I will do a challenge of the month bracelet. And from there, I will choose, I'll put a poll up on my Instagram with all the bracelets from level 3 and possibly alphas. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. And so you guys can choose which bracelet I'll be doing for next month. I'm going to be working on it all month while still working on other bracelets. So yeah, I think it'll be really fun. Our Instagram link is in our bio, so make sure you check that out. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this inspired you to do the same thing with your bracelet patterns, because I think this is a super good way to organize them, and I feel just a lot more put together, and I know where all of my patterns are now with the difficulty levels. So if I'm in the mood for doing a really hard one, I can just go to level 3. Easy. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, like I already said.